sir, yes, sir. Got him, man. I just knew I was gonna be paying resale for this shoe, man. But Sneaker Guys pulled up on your boy and said, man, we gonna bless you since it's been close to a year since we done blessed you, man. So they said, here you go. YouTube family, what is poppin' with y'all today, man? What's going on? It is your boy JayTheSneakerGuy coming at y'all today with an unboxing, man. This is a special one, man. It might touch a few hearts, you know what I'm saying? But hey, it's a special one for me because not only do I have the shoe, you know, I knew I was gonna get it because, you know, I was gonna drop whatever I had to drop on it to get it. And I'm glad I didn't pay for these early because I was tempted and prices were at like I think $1,200 at the time when I was gonna get these, and this was like prior to, you know, this recent release. But anyways, man, look, I do have a special unboxing. I'm about to show it to y'all, of course. But before we dive into it, man, if this is y'all first time rocking out with the fam and doing all that good stuff, man, make sure y'all stick around, hit that subscribe button, man, and make sure y'all give this video a like, man, for, you know, the continuous content. Look, this stuff right here, man, if you know, you know, all my content creators out there, man, this stuff takes time, man. So hey, all I ask of y'all is just to hit that like button so that we can get in the algorithm, this video can get out there, man. We can hit that goal of 100K, man. You know, hey, we gonna preach it until we reach it, man. So hey, 100K on the way, man. Thank y'all for all the support, man. Big shout out to all the OGs, everybody that has been rocking out with your boy from day one. The first ones that come in, they throw me 100 emoji. They be like, hey, you know, shout out, you know, all, hey, you know what I'm saying? They interact with the channel and help the video get out, man. Shout out to all y'all, as well as just, you know, of course, people that just view it. Thank y'all as well. But hey, we need y'all to get a little more interactive with your boy, man. But yes, man, with all that out the way, we do have a special unboxing. So let's not waste no more time. Dive right into it. Give y'all my first thoughts on this shoe, and let y'all see why this is such a special shoe, man. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Bang. Here we go, man. So yes, your boy hit for retail. Clarity. Alright, my wife hit for retail. So I was in the, you know what I'm saying, in the room chilling, taking me a nap. My wife came in the room. She said, hey, showed me her phone. She said, do you want these? I said, oh yes I do. I ain't hop up so quick trying to submit the payment and stuff. It's giving me error messages, so I ran over to my laptop, tried to log into my laptop, trying to, you know what I'm saying, I'm scrambling. It's like 5 minutes after the exclusive access drop at this point, you know what I'm saying. I just hear my wife yell from the other side of the house, I got him. I said, woo, thank you Lord, man. So in the midst of all this, while I was trying to log into her account, I go onto my phone and I notice I got exclusive access on my phone as well, man. So man, I really hit 2 times for this shoe, but I wasn't able to get it on my phone. It was sold out by the time I got to it on my phone, but I did actually have exclusive access 2 times. Me and the wife had exclusive access, but we was only able to you know, bring home one of these guys, and hey, one is just enough because this is a personnel. And yeah, man, this shoe right here, I'm glad that it came to me for retail because like I said, man, it saved me a couple $100, and the resale price on this shoe is like going crazy right now. Like it's up and down, but I think it's gonna like lay around the point where it's at right now for a couple years, and then eventually probably go up, but it'll be a while before they go back up. But anyways, whoop, pulling out the box, you already know what your boy done got. It's only right, man. It's only right. Bang. Yes sir, man. Your boy was able to cop this shoe. You know what it is, man. Y'all already know what it is, man. Look, I was able to get this shoe for retail. Take a look right there, man. You see what that size tag say? 9.5, man. This is a personal pair, so this one is staying in the collection. It will not be going anywhere, man. My homeboy actually hit on a pair of these. He hit a 9.5 as well, and he asked me to sell it for him, you know, so I threw it up on my JTSG closet page. And a lot of y'all was in y'all feelings about that. I don't know why, you know what I'm saying, because let me clarify, I did it on Gigi's birthday. I don't know if that was why it was touching y'all, but I think, you know, for a shoe to be as valuable as it was on her birthday, I think that actually is a good look towards her, because what if her shoes was going below retail? Would y'all have been tripping? You know what I'm saying? Like, would y'all have said anything? You know, just curious, you know what I'm saying? I don't really care, you know what I'm saying? I ended up getting it sold, but just speaking on the people that was in their feelings about it, like, it's actually a good thing that her shoes was going for what it was going for. But anyways, man, and then what y'all would have said if I would have paid that resale for it, y'all would have been quiet, because anytime I pay a crazy amount, hence $4,500 for a pair of fragment Travis Scotts, I don't hear anything. You know what I'm saying? Or $800 for a pair of Kobe Grinches, I don't hear anything. But the moment I had posted my homeboys pair, y'all had something to say. But you know, that's why you gotta always just, you know, do what you do. Don't worry about what anybody else say, because you cannot please everybody. With that being said, man, size tag reads Kobe. VI, Roman numeral. What is that? A Kobe?
Bruh.
Kobe 6. Kobe 6 Protro. Size 9.5. I did go up half a size on these. If you are getting any Protros, Kobe 6s, man, make sure you go up half a size. If you go to true to size, your feet gonna be hurting you and begging for you to take off them shoes after like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So you do want to go up half to a full size. Like if you got, you know what I'm saying, somewhat of a wider foot, make sure that you go up a full size, man. The color blocking, I ain't tell y'all, is just black, white. So pretty self-explanatory, man. Opening up the box, man. This is a special one because, like I said, man, I don't even know, you know, if this shoe was supposed to be in my hand, because this shoe wasn't even supposed to release based upon the agreement with Vanessa Bryant and Nike. They didn't come to an agreement. She wasn't, you know, happy with the numbers of the production of his products and so on and so forth. But I don't know what agreement they came to other than money. So like I said, for those who have feelings saying stuff about this Kobe stuff, like, it's all about money. So Vanessa's after the bag, you know, getting the bag after Kobe and Gigi's name, you know what I'm saying, after the fact, because that's what it's all about, because not everybody was able to get this shoe. It still was a limited shoe, so kind of defeats the purpose. So at the end of the day, it wasn't about the quantity of his products, it was about a money agreement. But anyways, man, it does come with the white paper. I know y'all like, hey man, hey, oh y'all done fast forward, but hey, taking a look at the shoe, bang, we got the Kobe 6 Protro Mambacita Sweet 16s, bang. Yes, man, these joints look even better in hand. Fire shoe, man. So hey, rest in peace Kobe Bryant, rest in peace Gigi Bryant, as well as everybody else who was on that plane, because it just wasn't them two, man. So rest in peace to them. Sad, tragic situation. Back onto the topic of these shoes, man. I was heartbroken because upon, you know what I'm saying, purchasing these shoes, I started doing a little research on them. Like, you know, whenever you purchase a shoe, man, y'all let me know. Y'all probably watching this video right now. Well, not necessarily this video, but y'all are watching videos containing these shoes if you purchase them, you know, because y'all are waiting on y'all pair or something. You just go to YouTube, you go to Google, you go to Instagram, social media, and you try to look up the shoe, right? You're trying to look at the shoe as much as you can until you get the shoe in hand. All right, I was looking up the shoe, right? Let me show y'all the shoe while I'm talking so y'all can get a good visual of it. But I'm looking up the shoe. I scroll past Vanessa Bryant's page, right? And Vanessa's page, I'm gonna put it right up there on the screen, man. Her Mambacita Sweet 16s came in a crazy packaging. You know, of course, she is the mother, the wife of Kobe and Gigi Bryant. So Nike did something special for her. They gave her a special box, special packaging. It came with a wristband as well as exclusive red laces and, you know, all the bells and whistles, you know what I'm saying? So when I seen that, I thought that was what the public was gonna be getting. I was like, oh, that's dope, that's crazy, that's dope, you know what I'm saying? I hollered at somebody I know who picked up a pair in LA at one of the few spots that they released them at, and he broke the news to me. He was like, man, they just come in a regular black Kobe box, you know what I'm saying? The box that you do see right here, you know what I'm saying? Just a regular box, of course, you know, regular cool with it. But I was stoked, I was hyped to get that special packaging, man. But I can dig, man. That's gotta go to somebody like Vanessa and friends and family only, you know what I'm saying? But I kind of was heartbroken a little bit when I seen that was only a friends and family, but you know, that was just a quick story about that. I know your boy is doing a lot of rambling, but Kobe 6 Protro Mambacita joints are in the collection and here to stay, man. Back on the topic of the prices of the shoe, as I was telling y'all about earlier, man, it is crazy because right after they released, prices were around like 700. Now actually it was around like, yeah, maybe about 7, 6s, depending on size. The next day, less than 16 hours later, the prices spiked up to like 900 was like the lowest price in any size in this shoe, man. Like crazy. I feel sorry for y'all that paid that price though, because that was what the ask price was like on your social media app, StockX and all that stuff. But when you add those fees, you're paying like 1,100, 1,000 plus for this shoe. If you look at the market right now, they have dropped significantly since that point. I think my 9.5, which was going for like 950, 960, is now down to about 600, 5 something. Like, so it's crazy how the market works. Do not be quick trying to be the first one to jump on a shoe once they sell out, because you will end up like, you know what I'm saying, taking the bad end of the stick, you know what I'm saying? Like, you have to be patient with these shoes. What goes up must come down. I'm trying to show y'all all these details as I'm rambling, but what goes up definitely must come down, man. It comes with black Nike laces. It does have white tips on them, and your white laces does have black tips on these. I do have my Kobe 6 Grinches still. They are both dead stock. I don't know if I'm gonna rock them anytime soon. I will definitely be rocking them though. These will not, no matter what, leave my collection. I'm not selling them, none of that stuff. This is a personal, but yeah, man, glad that I was able to get these for retail, man. Shout out to the wife, because if she didn't wake me up and tell me, hey, did you want these, you know, I wouldn't have these right here, man. So shout out to her. Number 2 right there on the back for Gigi. Hey, happy birthday again to Gigi. Rest in peace to Gigi, Kobe Bryant, everybody that was affected in that tragedy that happened a couple years back. But other than that, man, yeah, yes, your boy got them in the collection. It does have that Mambacita like angel wings logo inside the insole right there, man. So crazy details on the shoe, man, and this is just something for the collection, man. But enough with me talking, man. Thank y'all for watching. Let me know how y'all feel about the Kobe 6 Protro Mambacitas. And other than that, man, we gonna check out. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. I'm done with this unboxing and talking in front of the camera stuff. I'm about to break y'all off with some on feet, so stay tuned. Hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button. Other than that, I'm gone, man. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.